my mom keeps adding more bottles and filling them with water for the iron. Like, one bottle is fine, she just keeps bringing more. I'm sure the hot water bottle video will go up before this video, but let me show you so far what I've done. I'm yet to attach this to the base, but I had to pin it to get an idea of like what's going on, and it's so perfect. Will I be crazy to say that I'm a little bit excited for my next period just because of this? I'm done. She called me a minute ago to tell me that she's almost here, and I've managed to stitch the top and attach it to the bottom, even though the plan was just to do the bottom. I'm so proud of myself right now. This is the aftermath of a fitting. So she was here for a solid 2 hours because we just kept going over designs and things like that. There are a number of things that have changed about the design that she picked. I'm not going to cut onto the fabric just yet. I'm going to do another sample. She'll try it again somewhere next week. This is one of the reasons why I love doing samples before actually working on the fabric, because sometimes the idea you have in your head won't go exactly how you planned it. Sometimes like it looks good in your head, but then when you bring it to life, it doesn't work so well, or you don't even like it entirely, basically. Good morning. I'm getting ready to leave the house, and you see this dress? I made it like a couple of videos ago. I will link it in the cards above. But yesterday I was looking for something to wear for work, and I picked this up, and my sister was like, why is the gray part so wide? And I honestly didn't think about it until I looked at the design again. I was like, true. And after we realized that I may have made a mistake, that was all she pointed out. Anytime I try and accessorize it or I try and style it, she's like, the gray part is annoying. Hey, it's making the whole thing look big. And I'm like, bro, move past it. Let's figure out what to do to this thing. A friend of mine bought me wine on Saturday. It's Monday. I made an investment today, and like all investments, yep, they're expensive. They're expensive. But I'm so proud of myself because it feels like the first step towards greater things. Why does it look so complicated? Look, let me watch a couple of videos on how to, I don't know, attach this to the machine, and then I'll be back. After watching multiple videos, both in English and languages I don't understand, I tried to fix the buttonhole foot into the industrial machine, but it just wasn't working. The screw wasn't coming loose. Some parts of it were just getting frustrating, so I just left the whole thing. I went to bed. By the hair change, you know it's been a couple of days. It's Sunday, and I have to text the woman who sold the buttonhole foot to me to just teach me how to fix it, because as I was looking for the setup, it looked like my own was a newer version. So it was so hard to find videos that were like relatively close to the buttonhole foot I had. So yeah, I will come back to it tomorrow. I think I even tried. I think it somehow worked, but it wasn't like really good. So today I'm going to do a really rushed project. Not rushed, but I'm going to do as much of it as I can, so that tomorrow after work when I'm coming back, I will let them overlock the edges. But I have all my pieces here, so let's start.
5 hours later.
So it's been a couple of hours, and I encountered a little something, and then I got tired. I went to eat, I went to bath, so we're back. Let's try and figure this out. I had a little issue with connecting the armhole to the sleeve. The sleeve is fine. I know for sure that the sleeve is fine. I don't have to make any corrections to the sleeve, but the armhole is the problem.
Oh, I hate to keep you waiting around, but if it seems like I'm playing it down, got my head in the clouds, feet on the ground, couldn't go a day without you, girl.
This is really good. I fixed the armhole and I attached it. It looks really good. So I'm trying to iron everything down, trying to get the open collar to look open, trying to iron the sleeve down and everything. And this is where I saw this thread just chilling in the interfacing, and I've already glued it together. It can come off, but it's annoying because, like, look at you just randomly there, and I can't leave it there too.
You hit me, I need you to walk out the door.